how to hack your old tyres into puncture proof, bulletproof new tyres. Good luck y'all. Old tyre, make sure she's round. Get your spoon in there. Oh, I mean tyre lever. Bike shop would tell you to do otherwise, but I think spoons work pretty well. Get your knife, get your old tyre. This is going to become our puncture barrier, and we're going to cut out the wire. This can be tricky, always cut away from yourself and have a nice sharp knife. See how frayed that is? Someone's been riding this flat. Doesn't have to look pretty, just don't cut into the tread. Just cut the sidewall out and about the middle. Now you got a nice floppy tyre, mate. Slap it in the new one. Make sure she's nice and centered. Now you've got double the thickness of tyre almost. Right, next we'll get a tube. Now it's quite hard to put a double tyre back on, so I'll show you a few tricks if you're struggling. First one is to have a beer, and then put in a bit of air. And we're going to soap the rim and soap the bead. Just slot that in. Get your tube, line up your valve. Sometimes it can be a pain, and sometimes you've just got to works every time. And just feed your tube in. Make sure you're getting the second tyre. Getting it in the second tyre. And you're going to want to let some air out. Give it a good squeeze. Then you're going to want to get your soap. This is just water and soap, dishwashing liquid. Literally what I use for siliconing tiles. Slippy it up good, and once you're all lubed up, make sure you start at the valve. Just roll the tire on. See, sometimes it slips out, so you can grab a clamp and clamp it off. You don't do these up really tight, they're just loosely on there. It's just to stop the tube sliding off the rim. And just keep sliding it, and see, the other side wants to come off. So now I can get another clamp. And just doesn't have to be tight, just a few turns. That's all you need. Just like that. Get your spoon, push it on as far as you can, then you can get your spoon and just push. You gotta get it in there, pull it right back, hold that side, and then just pop it in. Keep the pressure on, pull it back, pop it in, and then you should be able to just squeeze it. Got it. Again, not too tight. You don't want to wreck your new tube. Now, just going to make sure everything's nice in the middle. Pull your valve through. Put some air in it. Done. Now we're running double tyres. That's ready to go back on the bike. No more punches for me. I started doing those double tyres about 15 years ago, and I've only ever had one puncture, and I'm pretty sure that was down to valve failure. So good luck if you manage to get some of those set up on your bike. Let me know in the comments, and good luck and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Cheers.